Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to try to open a padlock with things you can find in your hotel or in your office. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's time to go. I could manage to get a pair of clips. I'm going to do a tension bar with one of the clips and the other one will be our pick. And then I'm going to try to open this lock. First of all, we are going to make a tension bar out of this clip. So we do like this and like this, and when we have the clip like this, we are going to do a knot here. You can do it with the hands, it's not so difficult. Okay, and like here. So now we adapt the tension bar and look, we have a comfortable tension bar. Now we are going to do a pick out of this clip. To do this pick, we are going to do in a racking way. Will be a rack pick. So we make undulations on the clip. Okay, here is the lock. As you can see, the lock is working with the key. We are going to leave the key there. And now we are going to try to open with our new tools. Okay, first of all, I put the tension bar there and we try to rake the lock. That easy. Again. And open. Amazing. So easy. Okay, you have seen how easy it is to open a lock with a pair of clips, but because it's a cheap lock, you cannot do it with expensive lock. But things like a luggage or things that have very cheap locks are easy to open. So next time you buy a lock, think before what you are keeping with this lock. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to see more tricks like this, please subscribe. See you in next video.